Hello, you are very welcome to the channel. Every year, Brazil sees an increasing number of foreigners arrested for drug trafficking. Most of these cases involve individuals who act as so-called mules, transport illegal substances through airports in exchange for money or under false promise. Brazil's strategic location and its connection to major international drug routes make it a hotspot for traffickers trying to move cocaine and other substances to Europe, Africa, and Asia. Because of this, the federal police are extremely alert, especially at international airports like São Paulo Guarulhos and Rio de Janeiro Galeão. What many people don't realize is how severe the penalties are in Brazil. Drug trafficking is considered a heinous crime, with no possibility of bail and a mandatory prison sentence that can range from 5 to 15 years, sometimes even more depending on the amount and circumstances. Foreigners receive the same treatment under the law as Brazilian citizens. Being a tourist, having children in Brazil, or not understanding Portuguese does not change the legal outcome. Once arrested, the foreign national is usually held in a Brazilian prison while waiting a trial. This process can take months or even years, especially when translators are needed or when the person doesn't have legal representation. During this time, the individual has very limited rights. They are far from home dealing with a language barrier and often face harsh conditions in prison. Many foreign embassies do offer some support, such as contacting family members and ensuring basic human rights are respected. But they do not interfere with the Brazilian justice system or pay for legal defense. This means the individual or their family must hire a local attorney specialized in criminal and immigration law. There is also the immigration consequence. Any foreigner convicted of drug trafficking in Brazil is subject to deportation after serving the sentence. However, deportation is not immediate. The person must finish their time in prison first. In some cases, a transfer to serve the sentence in the person's home country can be requested, but this depends on international agreements and takes some time. It's important to understand that ignorance is not a defense. Even if someone claims they didn't know they were carrying drugs or that they were tricked into it, the Brazilian court rarely accepts these explanations unless there is a solid evidence. If you or someone you know is facing this situation, it's crucial to act fast. Contact a qualified lawyer, notify the embassy, and get as much as documentation and support as possible. It's also important to stay informed about your rights and the legal process. Brazil is a beautiful country with a rich culture and welcome people. But when it comes to drug crimes, the laws are strict and the consequences are serious. Always be cautious and never take risks that could change your life forever. Visit my website or send me an email if you have questions or if you need a criminal defense. We have been representing dozens of cases from people from everywhere in the world, and we have successful results. So let me help your family member or relative and make his criminal defense, and because I'm here to help. Okay, my expertise, and since I developed high-skill criminal defense, and I'm sure I can help you. Okay? So I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye.